people.
It's on camera. I mean video. We don't care.
Come on now.
Swim with swim. Swig, swag, swigger. Swell, swell. Sway, swag, through the swimmer. Sway, swag, through the swimmer.
If all of us don't go, he can't go.
Swell, swell. Swell.
Oh, you can just sweat that sweat up. Swat my sweat. Suck my sweat. My sweat.
Swallow and suck your sweat.
Suck a sweet.
Suck a sweet, so smooth, so sweet. Swole. Sweat, swallow, swallowing.
This my main man. Money, team money, they money. Oh.
Whatever.
So sway. See, so swag. Swag is swag. Swag, swigger, swag. Damn, man. This is a journey. This seemed like the walk for breast cancer.
This idiot.
Hey, you wanna go say hi to the camera. I wish your ass would throw me in that water, boy. Ooh, that'll be the day you don't return. You know, he ain't gonna get drunk. That's gonna be the day he don't return from a field trip. Say slide to the swimmer, slide to the swimmer, slide to the swimmer.
Jump it up. I didn't cut that grass.
Hey, get that cat out the road. Alejandro.
Get off the road.
Alejandro.
Sorry. I'm sorry.
Y'all ain't tired of walking?
What?
I feel like we walk forever.
Hey, my feet burning.
This feel like we walking. It feel like we going to Georgia or something.
Hey, excuse me. It's
How to fall. Can't pay for no ride. Motherfucking sis home. My feet hurt. I don't know what the fuck he doing. I'm talking to this shit.
Get out the way. Get out the road.
Man, that damn bus could have drove us back here.
Yeah, that bus, we could have sat on that bus and just waited. Like,
It's hot, man.
that's some bull crazy.
Say hey to the camera.
It's little.
Get off the road.
Where are we gonna go? There is no more wood.
At least they get in the bushes. Oh, God.
My balls sweating.
I don't see nobody in get that cat out the road.
Hey, y'all don't say that. Hey, y'all don't say that. Hey, y'all don't say that. Don't say that. Hey, y'all don't say that. The nail is a jack. That was him. No, that's what it was. Just say.
Say hi to the camera.
Put the lady over here. So what? We getting there.
She shouldn't smell out.
That whole going on MySpace first quarter.
I'm putting the rednecks on TV. Look, rednecks on TV.
Camera time.
They're not telling us who's going to be there.
Yeah, they not telling us.
Oh my God, how far we walking?
Yeah, I think that we got an even longer walk. Danielle, you trying to make them happy? I think it's gonna be a
Jesus Christ, this is a long walk.
I know, like we're going to Africa.
I'm messing on that fucking Ripley Zimbabwe, Zimbabwe, Zimbabwe. I'm in the strip. Can you hold this camera until we get there? It's still on record. Cause I'm in the strip as we walk.
Bitches, we gonna have us walking straight for like 30 hours.
And the cameraman.
Hey, yeah, hey, Rep, you know that's my job.
No, boy, that's my job.
Take it off. Don't do Take it off. Take it off. Take it off. Hey, that girl said it. I'm gonna throw this money. Get it.
Yo, get that tree out the road. Hey, bring that pressure off the road. Pressure shirt on.
I know. Who told you were?
They need to have a sidewalk.
That's exactly why we use it with you, because you're not cool.
You need to stop. Oh my God. This walk is too far.
I know. Dang, dog.
I'm gonna make y'all do push-ups.
His hand was on the floor. And this could be
When this shit gonna be over?
You can stop the video if you want by pressing the button.
Well, no, this is the counter there. We weren't prepared for all this.
I know.
We going to the parking.
on my picture point. It don't say walking.
No, it said
transportation, but.
Oh no, they got
Tap it up.
Oh my God. Y'all want to give us a ride?
Airborne! Shoot the kill. Ranger! Die tonight. No,
I'm so glad that anytime I go I'm like extremely glad that anytime I go I bring like extra shorts. Because I'm gonna put them gray shorts on because these jeans is not working for me.
I'm so damn tired. I'm finna take a break and say fuck the air show. These
I wish
helicopters.
everybody would slow. I wish they would slow down so I can take off these damn pants.
These helicopters ain't that damn important. That this with this heavy ass jacket on.
this rugby shit. Don't blame me.
This is Gucci.
Yeah, you hold that shit.
You know he's telling you to.
Who wears shorts? Oh, you want the?
Yeah, you know.
Oh, my dog with the Gucci and the Timbs.
And the tail.
And the Timbs.
With the Northern shirt.
Dog, they need to get them things.
Put this jacket in your book bag.
What's going on right now?
There ain't nothing in there.
Hey, what thing that be at like
You took it off of us.
Where the fuck is these airplanes?
I have to put it your arm through this late. I'm talking to the stage.
I wish I could walk, huh?
This is child labor.
Hell no, I won't go. Man, let's get this bike, man. Let's get this bike. Hey, man.
Hey, it's the animal in the bush.
Right now, ain't that your house? We passing it. Dog,
Hey, oh, he's dragging. He want to drag. Hey, it's taxi.
I'm finna run this bitch. Fuck that. I need to get there.
Alright, let's go. Hey, we finna run this town.
Now we gotta hey, we're young now. Go. Oh, it is recording now. Got a shortcut. Hey, we need to try to. We need to.
So hot.
Excuse us. Hey, the police down here.
Better stop jerking.
Police officers. Yeah, we would like you. We would want you to keep your rank at least.
My butterfly buttons keep coming
People in the car. Hey, I'm recording everybody in the car. And these people in the car. Everybody in the car gonna be on here.
Wait.
Excuse us. Kind of close to your car. And these people in the car. And this man right here on the phone in the car. And them over there in the car. Him in this nice truck in the car. And that guy in the car. And those guys. Hey, bitch.
Can't see the sign, no bus.
Why they running again? Fuck that shit. I ain't catching up no more. Oh, and them in the car right here. They live in this minivan. Yeah. And Brianna's finna tie your shoe. Hurry it up.
Taking these jeans off.
We need to hurry up and get there. I knew I should have wore that skirt, babe. It's your fault. Oh, shit.
I'm coming. Ah, we can't.
We some savages. Hey, Gene, we look like savages running. Yeah. Yeah, we running from the zoo. We not in the road.
Watch out.
When we not in the road, they say get out the road.
Get it.